Even though she became fatally ill from working with radium, Marie Curie was never blank. Would troubled, worried, disappointed, sorrowful, or disturbed best fit this blank? Let's begin by locating the original wording in the text. The fourth paragraph tells us that although Marie Curie eventually suffered a fatal illness from her long exposure to radium, she never became disillusioned about her work. The word disillusioned means to lose one's ideals or to lose faith in something, with the prefix dis often meaning something negative, like dissatisfied, dishonest, or disappointed. Based on this, we can see that despite suffering from her exposure to radium, Marie Curie's spirit was never broken. Based on this, we can head to our choices and see that C, disappointed, best matches our definition of disillusioned. Therefore, we can mark it as our final answer.